Before I discuss factorization in this talk, I need to clarify two terms, identity and equation. A mathematical statement which is true for some values of the variables and false for all other values of the variables is called equation. For example, x square plus y square equals x plus y is true only when x and y are zeros or x and y are ones. The values for the unknowns for which the equation becomes true is called solution of the equation. The set of all solutions is called the solution set of the equation. Solving an equation means finding the solution set of the equation. Identity, on the other hand, is a statement which is true for all the values of the unknowns in the statement. For example, x plus y equals y plus x is an identity. X square minus y square equals x plus y into x minus y is an identity. 2x equals x plus x is also an identity. Identities are also called equalities. Similarly, in equations and inequalities, Cauchy-Schwarz inequality is obviously an identity. Now, factorization is the process of expressing a sum as a product. The equality in the context is an identity, not an equation. There are certain standard identities about real numbers which are so because the set of all real numbers is a field. In the future, when we define a complex number and realize that complex number system is also a field, these standard identities for real numbers are valid for complex numbers also. I shall now give the standard identities about real numbers. I shall give only one side of the identity. The other becomes obvious, or we can deduce on our own. A plus or minus b whole square, a plus or minus b whole cube, a square minus b square, a cube plus or minus b cube, a plus b plus c whole square, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1, sigma a square into b minus c, sigma ab into a minus b, sigma a cube into b minus c. Also, this fact should be very useful. X minus y is a factor of x power m minus y power m if m is any natural number. Hence, x minus y, that is x plus y, divides x power m plus y power m if m is any odd natural number. Also remember that there will be some special identities which will be useful in doing problems. One of such identities, a famous identity, is what is called Sophie-Germain identity. Thank you.